What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I got my sister-in-law's vehicle. I don't know how she got a rock chip there. There's just staining like everywhere. I'm gonna try to help the outside. Inside I'm confident. It's pretty gnarly in here, but we're gonna show you the worst part. I mean, I've never seen dust that thick on a dashboard before, but you know, pretty cool. Nice friends you got there, buddy. Nice, Gina. Of course, obviously, when I get it cleaned, it's gonna look. This is the most interesting part. That could be some kind of bodily fluid. I'm not entirely sure, but here's the best. Coffee. Can you even see it? I don't even know if you can see it. I'm gonna have to show you when we get in there. But there's a giant coffee stain. That's, I don't know what I'm fucking touching right now. Yeah, it's not like horrible, but we're gonna, I don't know what goes on here. We gotta bring it back to life. So I'm gonna quick wash the outside. It's not too bad. I'm gonna quick wash the outside and then spend about a day and a half on the inside. And we'll see if I can record anything or just show you the afters. Who knows? I don't usually get to clean cars this dirty. We're just using up chemicals I don't really love, so Adam's polishes all in one. But that's some funk. Damn, son. I love it. Okay, so I just hauled ass on doing a pretty thorough wheel and tire wash, so that was pretty good. Exterior wise, just did a quick wash. Actually tried out this product for the first time. Wasn't really a big fan of it. I can't honestly say that I liked it that much. Put this on here real quick, hosed it off. Now I just gotta, you know, clean the windows inside and out, do the door jambs. That's next. Probably gonna vacuum and do the interior, do the door jambs last, just because I have a feeling I'm gonna be pulling all kinds of shiitake out. I'm gonna get some brush action up in here. You can start seeing the level of stuff we're up against here. But she's clean, pretty damn clean. And here's the stain. I'm hoping the extractor can get that out, but we're gonna give this a thorough vac, clean, condition the leather, dashboard, wipe everything down, go nuts, try to make it look as nice as possible. And of course, 4 giant goddamn fucking boulders in the back, and enough sand to make my own little mini beach. I might just take all the sand and throw it on the ground, set up the blanket, make like a little, you know, a bonfire, use this as like a decorative piece, hold the umbrella over my head for good luck inside, and hopefully a lightning bolt strikes me in the face and kills me. You know, I know a lot of people were asking about the power of this vacuum and if it was enough, but, you know, I think it's plenty. This is all sand. It's been doing it. Coming up. And I just decided I don't want to get struck in the face by lightning. So, you know, there's a better way to die. Right now, I'm gonna take all of these and put it in a satchel, and then I'm gonna tie it to my ankles, and I'm gonna throw myself over the nearest bridge and hope that there's enough weight here to hold me under the water until I die. That's the plan. But let's see what happens. I think it's kind of funny that I lift up the mat. There's something there. Like, what in the fuck? Hello? You know, I used to watch all these detailing videos, and I would get so jealous, and I would be so like intrigued because I'm watching people and they're like vacuuming in between the cracks in leather seats, and I've never had to do that before, and I never knew why they did that. And now I'm like looking at it and I'm like, they did it because women are on Earth. Okay, progress. Cleaned everything here. The only thing I didn't do is glass yet, but all the doors cleaned, leather sprayed, conditioned. Floors vacuumed, but I gotta vacuum again a tiny little bit because when I was cleaning the hell out of these leather seats, stuff was coming out. Dash is all done, looking good here. You know, a couple little dust particles from sitting in this dusty ass garage. Didn't do the floor mats yet. Back's done, floor's vacuumed, seats, like I said, front, back, everything, all conditioned. So, looking good. And the trunk, as good as I can get it. As good as I can get it. Gonna possibly make one more tiny little pass as things settle. I'm gonna do the floor mats last, put them in last because they're grunge. Everything's pretty much done. This seat for some reason had all kinds of like crazier stains. I'm gonna have to visit this another day depending on how much time I have, because honestly it's getting late. I was trying to do this as a favor. I don't know why these seats are so high up. How short are your friends, bro? Like, how are you friends with leprechauns? What's going on? Women are just like 5'2". So I'm gonna finish getting the little dust particles. That's next. So I got my Bissell. I think I'm gonna, oh, I gotta get that out too. I don't know what the hell she hit, but I have a little spot clean. I'm gonna try my, I think I got Carpet Bomber. I believe that's what it's called. So instead of the Bissell thing that came with it, well, actually, I have solution still in here from the Bissell. So I guess that's what we're gonna use. And I might pre-treat it with Carpet Bomber. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll pre-treat it with Carpet Bomber, agitate it with a drill, and hope for the best. I'll try to film that a little bit. I don't really have, this might be the only drill that'll work here because I don't have something small enough. I think this small enough. Sorry in advance. I was gonna film the whole like vacuuming, but I feel like everyone does that. And you know, why do everything everybody else does? But we're making progress. We're gonna jump on this and let's film trying to hopefully get that stain out. See what we got here. I gotta get some light and stuff. But that is the Carpet Bomber, the P&S Carpet Bomber diluted about 5 to 1. So I'm gonna use this. I think this is gonna be the perfect size to get up in there. I might have a toothbrush too, just because there's like a little nook there. Let me plug this in and let's start seeing what we could do. See if we can get some action here. Let that sit for a second. Agitate this a little. Let me see if that'll help, because some of these, oh, that was nice. Some of these are like extra chunky. I'm not gonna lie, it smells a little bit. Looking gross. You know, I know Adams makes like a rubber mat cleaner, but their tire and rubber cleaner, as much as I don't want to say it, it's not that bad. I did all the mats out here, scrubbed the ever-loving hell out of them. Now it's basically, you know, kind of just super soak that hoe. And then I'm going to dry this. Give the interior one last little wipe down, and one last little vacuum in certain spots, and that should be it. I really like watching like those like disaster details. I might start getting involved in that. It seems like something that would be fun, because then you actually, like, you detail a car like mine, you don't see the before and after as much, because my car is never really dirty. Makes you truly appreciate this. Alright, I'm gonna have to use 2 hands here. That's what she said. Oh my god. Alright, I'm done. And I gotta tell you, I'm not super happy, even though I think it's a 5-footer. So in all honesty, the interior came out amazing. The exterior came out like 80%, 85 to my standards. There's like a film on this car. Now, mind you, I washed this car and dried this car, and there's this film, and it was on every window that required me to scrub. Clay bar wouldn't take it off. I don't know what in the hell it was, like almost like a silicone something, but like just sat. Must have just sat. And I really am gonna have to do the exterior a little bit better. Maybe next week or something I'll go over it again with a little bit more of a harsh clay bar or clay disc, something, and then maybe just all in one polish this thing. Something's off, but that's for another day. I got it for as good as she's gonna want it for right now, and I think it looks freaking awesome. So let me just quick show you. I'm not too sure. I'm just testing this tire dressing out. I saw it on a couple people's shelves. I got it at Advance Auto. I don't know. You know, life's about testing. It's a little glossy for my like, but I think it came out pretty good. This is the interior now. It's it got sprayed down with Angel Wax Eden, so it smells incredible. The leather is super soft, and it's nice. It just feels clean, and it looks clean, and it smells clean, most importantly. And yeah, the paint does have a shine to it, but like I said, there was just something on it. I got it all off the windows, especially the front windshield, because I figured there's no way she could. I don't know how she had been driving. If I saw that, I would have probably went blind, crashed, and died. I don't know. It's just that's crazy. But everything is cleaned. I touched every possible surface with a cleaner. This thing, door jambs all the way up, everything is clean. Again, here we go. And this was the worst part. So as you saw, we got rid of that, easy peasy. This chair, I'm gonna go over this a couple more times, but there's like stains. I think she spilled something, or something touched it, and it sat, and the sun hit it, and there's only so much I can do. Looks freaking nice, other than a couple little dust nibs that I gotta wipe off. Dash is cleaned, everything's touched, cleaned, and beautiful. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I don't know how I'm gonna edit it or portray this. I will do this more often. I think I'm gonna start doing friends and family's vehicles, so I can start doing content, but we'll see how that works. Anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, I truly appreciate you. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, a comment, share the video, tell people to subscribe. Let me know what you liked, what you'd like to see more of. I would like to do more of these details. Maybe find some people with some really raunchy stuff and film more of the process if that's what you guys want. But anyway, this is the transformation. I think it came out pretty awesome. Thanks for rocking with me and stopping by. I'll see you guys on the next one.